Okay guys, so today I'm showing you a recipe that will help you to see better. This is going to improve your eyesight, give you eagle sight if you can maintain this on regular basis. All you need is just 3 ingredients: carrots, lemon and honey. Carrots, lemon and honey, which is readily available any part of the world where you are. These 3 ingredients are available. So what you are going to do is to wash and clean the carrot very well and then grate it just like I'm doing in the video. Grate it very smooth. When you are done grating, then you look for a very clean container that has a cover and pack the grated carrot inside that bowl. Make sure that the container has a cover and that the container is clean, well sterilized. So pack the grated carrots into the container, and then the next thing you are going to do is to cut and squeeze your lemon juice into the grated carrot. There are ways you can do this. You can squeeze the juice of the carrot out, but I have reason for not doing that. Allow everything to ferment together. So cut your lemon and juice it into the grated carrot. Just half a lemon is enough, or you use like about 2 spoonfuls of lemon juice. So you add to the grated carrot. Then the next thing is the honey, and that's the last ingredient. Very simple, recipe, very simple therapy. Just 3 ingredients: carrots, lemon and honey. Okay, take a spoonful of honey. Make sure that the honey you are taking is the original one, not the sugar based honey, the real honey. Now take just a spoonful. That is another video. I will show you how to differentiate between the original and fake honey. So mix everything together: the grated carrot, the lemon juice and then the honey. Just mix it. Don't add water to it. Leave it like that. You are going to leave it to ferment for 24 hours. That is, leave it overnight. Allow it to ferment so that the juice can come out and you can have the nutrients come out from the carrots enough into the juice. Maybe at that time you can now sieve it, but don't sieve it immediately. You have to allow everything to ferment together. So you cover it and keep it aside for 24 hours. The next day, bring it out. You are going to get a juice like this out of it. So you drink a spoon of this in the morning, a spoon at night, and I tell you, your eyesight will improve seriously, that you can testify. All right, thank you guys. Like this video, share to your friends and drop your comments below. If you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe before you go. This is the unique and healthy recipes. Stay tuned for more recipes coming your way. Merry Xmas again, guys. Bye.